mid-segments of a trapezoid. So a mid-segment of a trapezoid is going to connect the two midpoints on the legs. So if I take a midpoint here and I take a midpoint here and I connect it, I have just created a mid-segment of a trapezoid. We have the mid-segment is going to be parallel to the two parallel sides. All right, that mid-segment is going to be half of the sum of the two parallel sides. So I would add these two sides, divide it by 2, and that's going to give me the length of the mid-segment. So we're going to go ahead and find some missing measurements. So here we have a trapezoid, and we are going to figure out the length of the other two sides of this trapezoid, the parallel sides of the trapezoid. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use our mid-segment theorem, and this is what it says. If I take the first parallel side and add it to the last parallel side and divide it by 2, that is going to give me the length of the mid-segment. So we're going to simplify, and we're going to get x plus 52 divided by 2 is equal to 5x minus 19. So now that I have only an x and a constant, I don't have two constants like up here, now I'm going to get rid of the 2. So what math operation is the 2 doing? It's dividing. What's the opposite of dividing by 2? You're going to multiply by 2. Brother-sister rule says whatever I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other side. This 2 is going to cancel out, and that's going to leave me with x plus 52 is equal to 2 times 5x minus 19. I'm now going to rainbow. X plus 52 is equal to 10x minus 19. I'm now going to do symmetrical to get the largest x on the left. So 10x minus 19 is equal to x plus 52. 0 pair out the x. I have 9x minus 19 is equal to 52. 0 pair out the 19. I have 9x is equal to 38, which then this is going to be 38, 38, then I'm going to add 38, which is going to give me 90. So now I'm going to divide by 9, and x is going to be 10. So I'll come back up here. X is 10. If x is 10, then I'm going to use that value to figure out how long yz is. So yz is going to equal 5x minus 19. 5 times 10 minus 19. So 50 minus 19 is going to give me 31. So now I know the length of my mid-segment is 31. And that's how you use the mid-segment theorem to find the length of a mid-segment.